Let's create a to-do list app from scratch. We start by creating an empty list. This list will store all the tasks the user adds. Create a menu function. This function simply displays the menu options. Keeping it inside a function makes our code cleaner and reusable. Add a task. We ask the user for input and append it to our tasks list. The append method adds the task to the end of the list. View tasks. If the list is empty, we show a message. Otherwise, we loop through the list using enumerate so we can number each task. Delete a task. First, we display the tasks. Then we ask the user which one to delete. We subtract 1 because list indexes start at 0. I also added error handling using try and except so the program doesn't crash if the user types something invalid. Main program loop. This is an infinite loop that keeps the program running. It only stops when the user chooses option 4. This structure is very common in CLI applications. And that's it. We just built a fully functional to-do list app using Python. If you enjoyed this project and want to see a GUI version using Tkinter, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python projects.